Welcome back to Partickhill Station, and here's a little insight as to what's coming up next. In my last live broadcast I did speak about putting in a shuttle commuter track, and this is where I've got with it so far, and it'll come all the way around here and it'll end up in this station here. So there's the shuttle that I have to hook up, and I'll have some dropper wires going here. I'll feed them down and maybe hook it into this board here. Not really sure yet, but that's the way it seems to be turning out. And yeah, there's another thing. That corner in there is changing also, and I may have mentioned, in fact I did mention to Tony Northeastern that I'd probably make some kind of a road bridge across there, and that'd fill that nice corner there, get some cars on it and some buildings, and it'll look pretty good. I'm also trying to work a bit on these rock cuttings, and that will keep me busy for the next little while. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed that little update here at Partickhill Station. So make sure you like, follow, and if you wish, subscribe. That'd be nice. Doesn't cost you any money. And look forward to seeing you next time here at Partickhill Station. Bye for now.